Hi, I'm having lunch right now. Hindi kita kinakausap. Nako, masabat eh. Kala siya kinakausap ko. There, see? That's my son. Ayan o. My painting. Hindi pa tapos. Actually, tapos na yan eh. Nire-retokehin ako. May nakita akong mali. So, I have to eat lunch. Kakadrop off ko lang ng mga brother-in-law ko sa airport. They're going to New York right now. So, enjoy! And it's raining right now outside. So, the other day we went to Santa Monica. It's sunny, it's cold, and now it's cold and raining. Took me like 2 hours to go around. Usually, madali lang pumunta sa airport, pero matagal ngayon. Traffic, and it's raining. Everybody's doing it so slow. Alright, tatapusin ko na to.